What do candidates who finally get the job do differently? They answer this question right. Yes. So why should you be hired? Because I need a job. Because I am the best.
Rejected.
You are not alone. Many candidates find it challenging to answer this question. In this video, which is the second episode of our How to Answer Common Interview Question series, you will know how to answer why should you be hired, real examples of candidates, that is good and bad answers, and finally sample answer for freshers and experienced both, which you can use. Imagine you are the HR of a company and you are hiring a web developer. Now you have interviewed many candidates and you have to choose one. कैसे decide करोगे आप? What will you look for in your ideal candidate? Confused? I will explain. You will look for two things. First, does the candidate know how to develop a website? That is, does he or she have the skills needed for this work? Second, is this candidate sincere and hardworking? Who would complete the work? That is, will he or she do the work? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं बीच में ही छोड़ के भाग जाएगा. And once someone has both, then you will look for other things such as salary expectations, communication skills, etc. But these two things, that is, skills, can he do the job, and sincerity, will he do the job, are the foremost things you would look for in your ideal candidate. है ना? Say yes if you agree. That's it. कंपनी भी अपने आइडियल कैंडिडेट में यही देखती है. डज द कैंडिडेट हैव द स्किल्स एंड इज ही सिंसियर? तो अगर आपके आंसर से ये बात क्लियर हो जाती है कि आप में इस इंटर्नशिप या जॉब के लिए जो नॉलेज या स्किल चाहिए वो है, एंड आप अगर सिंसियर हैं, तो कंपनीज वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी टू हायर यू फॉर द रोल. नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग how you can demonstrate these two things in your answer. Let's deal with it one by one. So how can you demonstrate that you have the relevant skills? Step 1. Read the job description and understand what skills are needed. That is, you need to understand what skills are needed for that role and mention that. Taking our earlier example of web development, if you have the prior knowledge of PHP, HTML, CSS, mention that. Step 2. If you have those skills, mention them in your answer. Explain your answer by mentioning previous projects you may have done in that domain. If you have done any training related to that, you can mention that. If you have built a website for your college or for yourself, mention that. If you have done any internship in web development before, mention that as well. Step number 3. Give evidence. Describe previous experience and projects with links. Not just mention, but describe your project a bit in detail in terms of what functionality it had and give a link to the project if available. वो देख के कंपनीज को यकीन हो जाएगा कि कैंडिडेट सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा है, उससे सच में काम आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have worked on 3 website development projects that required knowledge of HTML, PHP and SQL before for my college, and all 3 portals have been well received by the users. The URLs of these portals are mentioned in my resume. The main idea is that you should be able to share some relevant example that convince a company that you have the required skills for the role. अब अगर skills ना हो तो क्या करें? Well, on this also I will create a video. Till then, I will recommend you to visit this link. It is in the description box. Pick online courses from Internshala and learn and develop industry relevant skills. अब नौकरी चाहिए तो skills तो develop करनी ही पड़ेगी. The benefit of these courses are that they offer guaranteed placements as well. So, do try them. So now, how to demonstrate your sincerity? ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी है क्योंकि ये तो हर कोई कह सकता है कि वो सिंसियर एंड हार्डवर्किंग है. हाउ कैन समवन नो फॉर श्योर? वेल, ट्रिकी है पर मुश्किल नहीं है. The way you answer the question can tell HR a lot about whether you are sincere or not. How? If you answer the skills part correctly, that itself is some proof that you are sincere because at least you tried to understand the job profile properly and made an effort to demonstrate the required skills through relevant examples. Next part of providing your sincerity is about doing something extra. To understand this, imagine our HR has 2 candidates. both of which have described their skills and past projects in sufficient details. But the candidate too has also mentioned that he has gone through the company's websites and mentioned one or two ideas for the betterment of the website. Also, he has watched a few videos of the company on YouTube and is quite excited to see the work environment and wants to be part of it. Which among the two candidates do you think has the higher chances of getting selected? Yes, you guessed it right. The second candidate, because he made an extra effort to know the company, which shows that he is sincere and serious about this role. For example, I have watched almost all the videos posted on the Internshala channel in the last 2 months. One of my seniors who previously interned with your web development team has told me about how open and fast-paced the work culture is. I wish to build a career in web development, and this company would be my stepping stone for the same. This extra can be anything. You can give some ideas related to its website or app or its social media pages. Talk about where and how you heard about the company and why you want to work there. Whatever you write, one thing is for sure, it would require you to do some research about the company. If you need more guidance on how to do this research on a company, check this video. The link is in the description box. Here I would like to mention one more point. You can say it is a point 3, that is your ability to speak simple English in an error-free manner. Now, if you are applying to a content writing or a marketing role where you have to write articles or to interact with customers in English, it is obvious that good English knowledge is a must. But if it is a technical role such as programming or design, you may ask why is English needed? बस simple English चाहिए so that आप अपनी बात HR को अच्छे से समझा पाए. These are a few videos which I have created on how you can learn English speaking. You can watch that as well. है ना आसान? So whenever you have to answer the question why should you be hired, just remember 3 things. Your answer should have the skills needed for the role, you are sincere, and third, speak simple English in an error-free manner. That's all. Next, we would see some real-life example of candidates' answer to this question that candidates have given for a web development teaching assistant role, and we would evaluate them on the same framework that we discussed, that is skills, sincerity and ability to speak simple English. Alright, here's the first answer. It reads, I don't know what kind of knowledge you will see myself, and I am a educated person. I can manage anything because I manage the things and handle many work. I can work without break. Is this a good answer? No, as the answer didn't mention any relevant skills or previous projects needed for the role. Plus, English is difficult to understand as well. Let's see the second answer. I am highly motivated and dedicated to achieving my goals. Throughout my academic careers, I have constantly demonstrated my ability to work hard and push myself to succeed. I believe that my combination of motivation, skills and passion make me a strong candidate for this role. While the English of this answer is absolutely fine, is it a good answer? No. Understand, at times in the zeal to find the perfect answer for this question, students make the mistake of searching the internet and copying whatever answer they come across. That answer, while may have perfect English but will not have any connection with the role that they are applying to and does not match with the language they use in the rest of the interview. Hence, it is very easy to spot that the student has copied the answer from the internet. So, it should be your own answer telling about your personal skills and experiences relevant to the internship. And do not copy them from what you find on the internet. Now, then what does a good answer look like? The third answer, which reads, for my college, I have worked on 3 websites development projects that required advanced knowledge of HTML, PHP and SQL. All these 3 portals have been well received by the users. The URLs of these portals are mentioned in my resume. One of my seniors who previously interned with your web development team has told me about how open and fast-paced the work culture is. I wish to build a career in web development, and this company would be my stepping stone for the same. Given my prior experience and knowledge, I believe I am a good fit for the role. So this brings us to the end of this topic. I hope you found this video helpful and it gets you closer to your dream internship or job. All the best.